In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove logo from email Klaviyo. If you are updating your branding or you simply want a cleaner email layout, removing a logo from a template in Klaviyo is quick once you know where to click. I will walk you through it in a clear way so you can make the change confidently and save it properly. First, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are on the main dashboard. From the left side navigation, click Content. This is where Klaviyo keeps your reusable design assets, including saved email templates. After you click Content, choose Templates. Give the page a moment to load, and you will see a list of the templates available in your account. Next, select your template. Click the template you want to edit, and open it in the editor. It helps to choose the exact template that is used in your campaigns or flows, so you are editing the right version. Once the editor opens, you will see your email design with different sections, often including a header area near the top. Now click directly on the logo or the header block inside the editor. When you select it, a small menu for that block will appear, and you will know it is selected because the block will be highlighted. Take your time here, because some templates have multiple image blocks. You want the one that actually contains the logo you intend to remove. With the correct block selected, look for the trash icon in the blocks menu. This is the delete option. Click the trash icon to remove that block. Klaviyo will then ask you to confirm the action to prevent accidental deletions. Click Delete Block to confirm. Once you confirm, the logo or header block will be removed from the template layout. At this point, quickly scan the top of the email to make sure the spacing looks the way you want. Removing a header can change the visual balance, so it is a good idea to double-check the surrounding sections before saving. Finally, click Save. Saving is important because leaving the editor without saving can cause you to lose your changes. After you save, the updated template will be stored and ready to use the next time you send an email with that design. And that is all there is to it.